Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford Bronco Sport in an Outer Banks trim, powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capability, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well. But let's take a look inside. And looking into the back, where you have a pretty spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. On either side, you have these tie-down points with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet, power button for your rear cargo lights that can be articulated to shine where you need them. And then underneath the rugged cargo floor, you have your full-size spare with some extra room for other equipment. And looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for three with a partial leather and cloth interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a USB and USB-C, as well as a 110-volt power outlet there in the middle. Backs of the seats also have zippered pouches and MOLLE rigging that you can hook equipment onto. And this vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside and warm up your car, SUV. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as 3 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, and I believe your mirrors. You also have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen where you can cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, your now playing, fuel economy. You can also go into further settings and information. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with distance spacing technology, adaptive steering, and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stock. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, and settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Moving down, you have your media controls with your auto start stop shut off and hazards. And you have this tray area down below. Moving down further, you have your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Then you've got this tray area with a USB, USB-C, 12-volt power outlet, and wireless charging pads, so you can throw your phone on there. You've got your main shifter on a dial, very convenient. 2 cup holders, parking brake, brake hold, and GOAT mode selector or drive mode selector for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. And then you've got your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room inside, including another USB and USB-C. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof so you can lay in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.